What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hi, my name is Janine and I upload videos every Monday, except today is not Monday. Today is Sunday and it is December 1st, and you know that everyone does Vlogmas on December 1st and throughout the month of December. But I want to do my own little spin on Vlogmas, and so I'm going to be creating a Christmas bucket list. I make one every year, and every year I try to make it super cute on paper, but I'm not artistic and it doesn't look good, so it ends up just being like a to-do list. But I thought it would be really fun this year to make a Pinterest board with like an aesthetically pleasing picture of all the things that I wanted to do. And then instead of doing Vlogmas, where I feel obligated to make a video every single day, upload every single day, like that seems like a lot. And I tried that with YouTuber. If you ever see my YouTuber videos from 2 years ago, I tried to do that whole upload every single day thing and I fell off at like day 22 or something. But did pretty well at the beginning there. And so this time I didn't want to overwhelm myself with trying to tell myself that I have to upload every single day. But instead, I'm going to be just filming anytime I do something that is on my winter bucket list and then uploading it kind of as a Vlogmas, but like checking it off my winter bucket list, if that makes sense. And I also want to give you guys this idea because most people may look at summer bucket list and things you want to do in the summer, but I think it's a fun idea to also make one for the winter. And if you celebrate Christmas or Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever it is you celebrate, or if you celebrate nothing, then just to have like a list of things you want to do while it's snowy outside, or if you're somewhere where it's not snowy, somewhere to get into like the holiday spirit. And maybe if you are artistic, you can make like a cute piece of paper with like the writing and everything on it. Or if you're not artistic, or if you just prefer technology, then you can make one like I am on Pinterest. And then another thing I was thinking of was to like print out the pictures and make a cool collage, which would be like a fun idea if you guys wanted to do that. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing on my Christmas bucket list is to go to the Rochester Lights. It's a thing in Michigan, in the city Rochester, where they have Christmas lights all over. It's been on my Christmas bucket list for 3 years now, and I've still never gone to see them, and I really want to go see them. So I'm making sure it's the first thing on my list this year. The next thing on my list is to build a snowman. Kind of build a snowman, build a snow fort, do something in the snow, maybe go sledding, stuff like that. I usually don't have this on my list, but I haven't actually like played in the snow and like made a snowman or snow angel or anything in like 2 or 3 years. So I thought it would be something fun to add to the list because I've been here in San Diego for the past 2 months, and so I haven't even seen snow yet this year. So I'm kind of excited to go back and see snow, even though I hate the cold. The next thing on the list is to make Christmas cookies, and I might try to look up like a healthier recipe to try to make Christmas cookies, but I saw this thing on Facebook where there's like mint chocolate chip cookies, and I love mint chocolate chip ice cream, and I love cookies, and I love eating raw cookie dough, and so I feel like that would just be a very fun time. Another thing I kind of just want to do throughout the winter is to work out and to continue working out. So I'm putting it on this list just so I can try to hold myself kind of accountable. And because like every time I go home, I never work out. And I'm going to be home for quite a long time this time. And I cannot go that long without working out. Like I need to work out. So I'm adding it to this list just so I can try to hold myself accountable. I also want to do a Christmas movie marathon. I did this whenever I went home like around Halloween because I love Halloween movies, and so we get a Halloween movie marathon. So this time I put on the list to do a Christmas movie marathon and just watch Christmas movies. The next one is hot cocoa, which I can drink hot cocoa while having a Christmas movie marathon, while in Christmas pajamas, while in fuzzy socks, while in multiple things that are going to be on the list. With that being said, the next thing on the list is wearing Christmas pajamas. It's funny because I actually have those Grinch pajamas that are in this clip. Oh my god. I could wear those ones. This winter, we could also go ice skating, which I'm adding to the list because I just feel like ice skating is always really fun to do. And even if you just go year round, but kind of just depends on where you live on if they offer it year round, which like in my hometown they do. Another thing that you could do during the holidays is to like write a letter to Santa, which I thought like sure it might be lame, but I thought it would be something fun to do and cute and kind of like, I feel like that's kind of just like a manifestation thing that I could do, is just write a letter to Santa and like what I want in the upcoming year. and like what I'm asking for, and then kind of like mail it off just so it's like releasing what you want into the universe, and then it's gonna come back to you kind of thing, but in the form of a letter to Santa. That may be hippie lame of me, but if any of you think that's a good idea, then you could go ahead and do it. Every year, my family and I, we go pick out our Christmas tree, and we pick a tree, cut it down, and this year we're going to be going up to my grandparents' cabin, so we're going to take it up to the cabin and decorate it up there. And so I want to make sure that was on the list, because every year we pick a tree, and I always have to pick it, because I am very picky and particular, and I always pick the best trees. So I need to pick a tree, and it needs to be on the bucket list. Also, a little side note, if you guys are picking pictures off of Pinterest, if you add the word photography to the end, which you guys might have noticed, then it will give you like an aesthetically pleasing picture instead of like the how-tos and the play-by-plays that like to pop up on Pinterest a lot. Especially with the cooking Christmas cookies, or baking Christmas cookies, because it'll just give you a bunch of recipes unless you write photography. Next one on the list, as I assume you can guess, is to decorate said tree. A thing to do every year is to wrap the presents that you get for people. I've already gotten some presents, and then other presents are being shipped to my house right now, and so once I get there, I'm gonna have to wrap them all up and wrap everything that I have here. So I will probably need to also get presents while I'm home, and then just wrap everything all at once. Something to decorate the Christmas tree with would be to make crafts and like make ornaments. And so I really want to make the paper snowflakes, where you like fold up paper and then cut it into snowflakes. And so I put that on the list. I'm also getting a picture of Santa on the list. My grandma loves when I do that, and so I'm gonna try to get a picture with Santa so that I can give it to my grandma as a present. But she's probably gonna watch this video, so sorry if I don't get the picture, Grandma. I tried. It's on the list to get it done. A couple more things on the list is to go up to my grandparents' cabin, because I love to go up there, and then also to make s'mores / have a bonfire. And so all three of those are kind of mostly going to be in the same video. And oh no, it's raining outside. Anyway, and my battery's about to die. Gotta hurry up. Whenever my grandparents and I and like my family would go up to my grandparents' cabin, we always play board games and stuff like that. And so I thought it'd be fun to try to make like a Christmas one. And I actually found this pin on Pinterest the other day where it's a Grinch Jeopardy game. I feel like it would be fun to make one of those and try to play it and then watch the Grinch, because that's my favorite Christmas movie ever, and I love it. And the last thing I have on the Christmas bucket list is, oh no, my battery's dying, is cute Christmas nails, because I want to get cute Christmas nails done. My friend Rachel and I are going to go get them done on like over the weekend whenever we go out. I'm super excited about it. So this is the finished product of our winter bucket list. I hope yours turned out well as well. So send me pictures. My Twitter and Instagram are below. You can comment on my latest picture, comment in this video, tweet me, whatever you want to do on whatever is in your Christmas bucket list. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you see all of the videos throughout the month of December, because there will still be a weekly upload on Mondays, but then there will be random uploads for Vlogmas throughout the month. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you next week. Actually, I won't see you next week. I'll see you tomorrow on Monday. Bye!